Own a diesel? Over 80,000 kilometres? Drive short trips? Experience a lack of power? Poor performance? Bad fuel economy? EGR and DPF issues? These are just a few of the symptoms we see of carbon buildup within your engine's intake system. This 2015 2.8 litre turbo diesel Toyota Hilux has 234,000 Ks on the clock. Before any work is carried out, the engine is scanned for any engine codes, and on this scan, no codes were found. Our Stage 2 strip and clean service will safely remove and clean the intake system, throttle body, EGR valve, EGR cooler and the intake manifold. Once all the components are removed, they are stripped down and placed in the ultrasonic bath for cleaning. Once cleaned, the parts are dried and inspected before being reinstalled with new gaskets. A Provent 200 catch can from Western Filters should also be installed to stop the oily residue from entering the manifold. Now with the engine back together, it is started and inspected. Then a Stage 1 is performed. With the unit connected to the air intake of the vehicle, the entire inlet, exhaust, EGR and cylinder head are cleansed without the use of any harmful chemicals or damage to the engine. So, what condition is your intake manifold? For a quote on your vehicle, call or message the number on the screen now. We are a mobile service and come to you.